This is the process of brazing a copper tube to a brass base fitting using Ketchan's induction brazing system. Induction brazing works by generating an electromagnetic field that heats the joint area precisely and efficiently, without any flame or direct contact. When the brazing alloy melts, it flows into the gap by capillary action and forms a strong, leak-free bond after cooling. This clean, controllable process is ideal for copper, brass, aluminum, and stainless steel connections in HVAC, refrigeration, and automotive applications. You can clearly see the result at the end of the video. Want to learn more about our brazing solutions? Visit our website or contact us anytime. Ketchan, your trusted partner in advanced brazing technology.